All right, y'all. So I'm not exactly sure how most of my subscribers actually feel about the scammer videos. So I wanted to make one more video and ask, do y'all like the videos of me exposing scammers? Which there's one main one that we've been exposing. I just want to know if y'all like that kind of content or not, because if you do, I'll keep creating that kind of content. I also want to know exactly what kind of content that you do want to see, because I already know you want to see content with me showing results. So I'm going to leave up, I believe it's 3 videos. 2 of them are just YouTube shorts I made of a couple people that he scammed. And then the last one is questions and answers with Andre from Pinnacle. So y'all please watch the whole video. Let me know what type of content y'all want to see. Sorry, I shake real bad. That's why the camera's moving. I'm just in my office holding it. But yeah, check these out.
Good morning, everybody. Possibly another victim of the credit repair scam with Pinnacle. It's sad.
All right, this next clip, I just thought about something. Is this Andre's healthy young Brian that he scammed? Did he scam his Brian? Let's take a look and see. I guess somebody should tell Brian that ain't no police showing up in Vietnam.
I went after Dave at Everything Credit because he was and is a threat to my business. I'm not gonna let some hillbilly expose me. I called him and begged for his forgiveness like a little bitch. And then he posted my phone call. So yeah, I'll never stop seeking revenge for that one. I sounded like such a scared pussy child, right? It was pathetic. And for that he will pay. Some of my reviews are mostly the bad ones, but look, people are sheep. I can't tell a real review from a bot fake review, then they deserve to be scammed. They are broke anyway. What's taking their last $1,000 got to do to make their life any worse than it already is? Nothing. They're losers. Testosterone. It's hard for me to screw ladyboys with a limp Johnson. I take about 200 pills and supplements, some legal every day. No, I don't own anything. I rent a tiny loft-style studio far outside the city in Vietnam, so it runs me about $250 US dollars per month. Or to put it another way, 1/4 of one average scam. It's very easy for me to live here with no money. People ask me if I can afford to live in the United States, and the short answer is no, and I'm wanted anyway, so I can never come back to the US. Well, you will never see current videos of me in any other part of the world. That I can promise you, because I can't leave Vietnam. I'm stuck. And I'm broke, so you rarely will even see me at a nice party or dinner with friends, because I don't have any. I mostly have only enemies. I film in my tiny studio filled with plants and bugs, and now a bobcat. In my boxing gym where I punch mitts for a few minutes, and that's really about all the locations I can film at. Maybe I'll do a shot in a coffee shop in Vietnam, soon to change the scenery up a bit. Thanks for the idea. HeyCat is a fictional credit repair, artificial intelligence-based software that I invented to sound more sophisticated than I really am. I can't mail the credit bureaus using the Postal Service because the Postal Service is a nightmare in Vietnam. People hear AI on the news, and then they hear me say that, and they think something great is going to happen. And it is great for me. I'm going to take their $1,500 and put it in my pocket. End of story. No, I don't. If people are dumb enough to be scammed, it's their fault, not mine. And somebody is gonna rob them. It may as well be me. I'm worth all these losers' money, not them. It's survival of the fittest, and as you know, I'm fit. I'm always talking about my body and how perfect it is. I think I'm in love with myself, and I wish I could screw my own rear hole. Thank you, good night. my final thoughts are hide your wife, hide your kids, and hide your husbands, because I'm scamming everybody out here.
All right, y'all. Sorry, I know that had a little bit of cussing and a little bit of bad stuff in it. Actually asked for permission from the guy to post this video on my channel. So again, leave it down in the comments. Let me know if y'all like this type of content or not, because if y'all don't like it, I'll leave it alone. But it's really hard for me to leave it alone because I hate people, and I hate to hate people, but I hate people that scam people and take advantage of them. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.